So I still find it absurd that some people still believe that Chinese products are fake, that everything you buy from Chinese are fake. Because like Nigerians have that thought. So I don't know about other countries like Ghana, Kenya, South Africa. I don't know. But here in Nigeria, because I actually live in Nigeria, guys. So people believe that any products from China are fake. And I'm telling you that you are completely wrong. China is just like you guys. So they make quality products, and there are some people that sell fake products too. And there's a way you can distinguish between fake and quality. So what you just need to do is buy from verified store. That's just it. So when you buy from a verified store, then you won't get scammed. It's just as simple and plain as that, guys. So I want to show you that all these like Hisense, you can see this is Hisense right here, guys. So this is Hisense freezer. So all these Hisense freezer, media freezer, all these company, guys, they have official store. Like their official store on Pindodo. They don't have it on 1688 though, but you can find their official store here on Pindodo, and that is what I'm going to be showing you, so that for you to know that all this thing is not rocket science. Like it is actually true. You can get quality products from China, guys. So that's just how it works. So now let's just go to our search bar right here. So let's search for iSense. Let's search for iSense, guys. So what do we see right here? We see a lot of products right here, right? So we see a lot of different iSense. You can see freezer, TV, and all. You can see washing machine, guys. So iSense make different products, guys. iSense make different products. But how are we going to differentiate like a product of iSense? Like if how are you going to differentiate if you are going to be buying from like iSense company, or we are going to be buying from a third party company, guys? So what we are going to be doing is that you see this section right here, just click on it. So if you click on this section, it will bring a drop down. So let's click on it, guys. So now that we have clicked on it, you see the second option, just click on it, guys. So when you click on it now, what do you see here? You can see a lot of iSense store. So you can see this is iSense remote. This is iSense like remote store too. You can see remote. So now let's keep scrolling, guys. So what do you see here? This is iSense freezer. I mean iSense AC, guys. So that's just it. So now let's go down. You can see. So these are some iSense store, guys, that you can buy a lot of things from. So now let's click on one. So you can see here. So let's just click on this one. So this is an AC. So let's click on iSense AC, guys. So what do you see here? What do you notice here? You can see a lot of iSense, guys. See a lot of iSense AC. So this is their official store. You can see they have tons of it. You can see, guys. So that is how all these things work, guys. You can see. You can see all these things are iSense official store. So that's just it about Pindodo. Pindodo have like, what's it called? Pindodo have an official store of all these things. So all these products have official store. So that's just how it works, guys. So guys, let's check on media. So this is media right here, guys. So we have said this thing as the second one. So that means like these are like factory, guys. So that's just how it works. So if you don't understand any of things, just screenshots and then check, guys. Like me now, I already like I've been understanding Chinese a little bit because like I've been seeing all this thing over and over and over and over and over and over again. So I know how these things work, guys. But if you don't know, just screenshot and go and translate. Like let me show you right now. You can see now a screenshot. So just click on here. Let's translate, guys. So just go here, and then go on Google. I don't know, yours might be different, guys, because I'm using Samsung. So yours might be different. So you can see this is shop. So that is what we click on. Instead of we clicking on like merchandise or something, we click on shop, so it brings a lot of shop for us. As you can see here, here says official media air condition. You can see media air conditioning official flag. You can see here air conditioning official flagship. So that is how it works, guys. So that is how to know all these things. And what do you notice here? So let me just highlight, guys. So what do you notice here? You see, over 100,000 pieces have been put together in 3 years, just 3 years, guys. Over 100,000 from just this one store here, oh. From just this one store here. And don't forget that they owns everything. So what do you see here? 50 pieces have been like assembled and delivered to your door. You can see here 130 have been assembled. So that's just how it works, guys. And why did they do this like this instead of just listing it in one store? So that they will like attract a lot of people like me now. If you are not new to my channel, you will have known that I own a 6 Jumia account. Why can't I own a one? It is because I want to reach more customer. So now let's say it as an example now. So if I have one store now and I post my product online, it will be only to be like only some people will be seeing it. But if I have two store now, this one will see them, another people too will see them. You understand? So that's just how it works. So you reach a lot of people. So that is it about that, guys. So that's just it, guys. You can see here 400. This is like 100,000, guys. So that is how all these things work, guys. So you can actually get anything you want on Pindodo, guys. So that's their official store. So if you have any question at all, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer you. So let's go back to, you can see now. So now we can have a lot of product like this now. So in this section right here, so there will be a lot of like third party that also sell these things. But if you buy directly from the store and how I show you now, then you are going to be buying from their official store. And one thing is that it's going to be lesser, guys. It's going to be lesser compared to the rest. So that's just how everything works, guys. So as you can see here, I have some goods on the way, guys. So if you don't know, I also do procurement. I help some people to buy. So these are customers order, guys. So all these things are, it's not rocket science. You just need to learn. And it's not something hard, guys. It's not something hard at all. Anything you don't understand, just go and screenshot. So now let's go to 1688 now. So one thing is that all these stores don't have their official website on 1688, unlike Pindodo, guys. So you see any people selling like all these media or everything on 1688, all those people are third party, like they are third party seller, guys. So that's just it. Like they buy from the factory and then they sell to you. So that's just it. It's not the official website that is selling to you. So that's just one thing about 1688, because 1688 is for like local buyers and all. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you have any question, like I said, drop it in the comment section below and I'll answer you. So thank you for watching. See you next time.